Hello, fourth grade. It's Ms. Kovarek with Science Lesson 6. We are going to be finishing up our animal adaptations and we're going to get to make our own animal today. So that's kind of fun, I think. So you should have your form sheet open and we're going to be reading from this article that's posted. So, extraordinary eyes. Meet animals that have a superpowered sense of sight. What if you could see in the dark? For some animals, abilities like this are part of life. Animals use sight to hunt prey. They use their eyes to avoid predators, and they need to see each other to communicate. Animal eyes work in the same way as human eyes do. Special cells in the eye collect light from the environment. These cells send signals to the brain. This creates the images we see. The structure of an animal's eyes affects how it views the world. So does the number of eyes that it has and where they are placed. Read on to meet 4 animals with unique features for vision. Their eyes let them see things no human could. All right, so our first animal is the owl. Owls, light collectors. Human eyes are built to see in daylight. After dark, it's hard to make out our surroundings. Owls don't have this problem. They hunt at night, so their eyes are adapted to soak up a lot of light. This gives them vision clear enough to spot prey, even in the dim light of the moon and stars. Owls' eyes are enormous. They are much larger compared with their body size than those of many other animals. When it's dark out, eyes called pupils expand to cover the front of the owl's eyes. The extra large openings let in a lot of light. Where a human sees a dark forest, an owl sees a scene that's nearly 3 times as bright. Praying mantis. What if you could see in front of you and behind you at the same time? A praying mantis can. The insect's head can rotate 180 degrees. This lets it view its surroundings and things to eat. 2 bulging eyes sit on its turning head. In between these big eyes are 3 much smaller, simpler eyes. Here's spiders. Night vision. Not all spiders have the same number of eyes. Most species of spiders have 8 eyes, but some spiders have 2, 4, 6, or even 0 eyes. Most spiders have poor eyesight. They rely on their other senses to hunt prey. But their eyes are well adapted for the dark. They can even sense small changes in light and dark. And the last animal we're going to read about are horseshoe crabs, which look like that. Horseshoe crabs have been around for millions of years. They're called living fossils. That's because they haven't changed much over that time. Horseshoe crabs have eyes all over their bodies. They even have an eye on their tail. The crab's 2 compound eyes are the largest. Compound means the eyes are made up of tiny lenses. Through these eyes, the horseshoe crab sees multiple images instead of just one. Compound eyes help horseshoe crabs find mates. The crab's other eyes are much smaller. They help the crab sense light and dark. That's especially useful when swimming. Okay, so here we go. All right, so you're going to answer the questions from using that passage. So if it asks you about owls, you got to go back to the section that was about owls. Your answer is going to be in here. So what is a problem humans have that owls do not? How many degrees can a praying mantis rotate its head? How does rotating its head help the praying mantis survive? That's a written response. Make sure you answer the question. Which animal has a different number of eyes depending on the type, and why are horseshoe crabs called living fossils? All right, and then the last thing you're going to do, no, it's not going to let me move on unless I do this, so. All right, next. You're going to go to this website. If you click this, it'll open up for you. And you're going to create an animal of your choice. So you can go like this and switch the habitat. If you want to do an animal that's in an Arctic, you can do an animal that lives in, a little slow. This looks like a grassland. A cheetah, that would be more of like a savanna. So you're going to choose your habitat, and then you're going to decide what kind of head, legs, and tail you want your animal to have. So you need to think, if my animal is living in this environment, what do they need to survive? How are they going to get their food? How are they going to protect itself? How are they going to stay safe? So you're going to pick whatever type of head, legs, and tails that you want your animal to have, and it will change right here on the actual animal. So it looks kind of goofy, but I want you to explain to me why you're choosing each part. So this is where you're going to do that. Tell me, why did you choose that head? How does it help it survive? The legs, how did that help it survive? And the tail. All right. If you have any questions about this, please make sure to reach out to your teachers. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.